Hey everyone, welcome to Good DIY Plans. In this video, we're going to be going over how to make this simple privacy screen for your backyard. The idea is to block out nosy neighbors. So the way that it works is this back part here is the privacy screen so that you can enjoy your patio and block the view. And then the planter box here is the anchor that holds everything together so it doesn't topple over. The overall dimensions of this are 74¼ inches tall. This is 21½ inches deep and 50 inches wide. So the first step here will be to make the frames of the planter box. So you're going to need two pieces of 2x6 lumber that are 44 inches long and then two that are 18½ inches long. Secure everything together with 3½ inch screws, pre-drill and countersink this. The reason why is we don't want the boards splitting. You can also add some glue if this is not going to have any edible plants growing in it. Go ahead and make 3 identical frames just like this. And you're going to add a bottom to just one of these. You're going to need two 47-inch 2x10s that are going to make up that bottom. So go ahead and add these with 2½ inch screws, pre-drill, countersink, and use wood glue. Next, go ahead and drill out your drain holes in the bottom of that. And now we're going to be adding the screen for the back. So these are going to be 50-inch 1x4 lumber pieces. And we're going to need a total, let's see here, 3, 6, 9, 12, okay, 13 of those. And then we're going to need 2 pieces of 2x4 that are 74¼ inches for the back support. So the best way to attach these will be to just use some nails from a nail gun and just space these out and use some wood glue. So the space that we have here is 3/4 inch between each of these boards. So you're going to start at 19 3/4. That's going to be your first board, or start on the edge here and then go ahead and finish that up. So once you've got that in place, next we're going to be adding the legs of the planter box. So these are all just 2x4 lumber pieces. They're all 19 inches oriented in different ways. So you're going to make 2 of these in this kind of L shape. So use 2½ inch screws, pre-drill and countersink those, secure them with wood glue as well. And we're going to put everything together just like this. So you can secure this from the inside, it's probably easier. And also you're going to conceal all of the screw holes here as well. So secure all of those with 2½ inch screws. You don't want to use longer screws because they're going to poke through to the other side, and use wood glue as well. All right. And this is how it's going to look on the bottom here. So next, you're just going to attach the back of the planter box here. So this is going to be the privacy screen. So you're going to attach it from 2 sides. These are 2½ inch screws, pre-drill, countersink those, and use wood glue. And then also from the inside here as well. This way it's not going to go anywhere. All right, next go ahead and add your fabric liner. Go ahead and add your plants, and you are all done. For those of you who are interested in the DIY plan PDF, it is going to be available in the link below. It's definitely much more detailed. It includes a tools list, a shopping list, cut diagrams so that you're not wasting lumber, as well as helpful links, basically everything that you're going to need in order to be successful with this build. And of course, the step-by-step instructions. This is something you can print and then work offline in the garage at your own pace. I appreciate everyone who supports Good DIY Plans. You guys have an awesome day. If this video was valuable to you, check out the next project on the screen.